For years, Linux desktop users have had plenty of choices, but there has always been one recurring challenge. Most desktop environments are either built by large communities with slow decision-making processes, or they are designed around goals that don't always align with what everyday desktop users actually want. Some environments focus heavily on customization, others prioritize stability, and a few try to reinvent the desktop experience entirely. But every so often, a project appears that has the potential to shift the entire conversation. Right now, that project is Cosmic. When System76 first announced that it was building a completely new desktop environment from the ground up, many people were skeptical. After all, Linux already had GNOME, KDE Plasma, XFCE, Cinnamon, Mate, Budgie, and several other desktop options. Why create yet another one? The answer became clearer as development progressed. System76 wasn't interested in making minor tweaks to an existing desktop. Instead, it wanted to build something specifically designed to solve long-standing frustrations while embracing modern technologies that could carry the Linux desktop into the future. The result is Cosmic, a desktop environment written largely in Rust, one of the most respected modern programming languages in the software industry. Rust has gained enormous attention because of its focus on memory safety, performance, and reliability. By building Cosmic with Rust, System76 is aiming for a desktop that is not only fast and efficient, but also more secure and easier to maintain over the long term. This decision alone sets Cosmic apart from many existing desktop environments that rely on older technologies and codebases developed over decades. What makes Cosmic especially interesting is that it isn't simply another desktop shell layered on top of an existing framework. It represents a fresh approach to desktop design. Every component has been carefully considered, from window management and workspaces to customization and workflow optimization. The goal isn't to copy Windows, macOS, GNOME, or KDE. Instead, Cosmic tries to create an experience that feels modern, flexible, and productivity-focused while remaining approachable for users of all skill levels. One of the first things people notice when they start using Cosmic is how responsive everything feels. Desktop environments often accumulate years of legacy code, which can create inefficiencies and inconsistencies. Since Cosmic is being built from scratch, developers have the opportunity to eliminate many of these historical limitations. Animations feel smooth, interactions feel immediate, and the overall experience appears carefully engineered rather than patched together from multiple generations of software. Another major reason Cosmic is attracting attention is its focus on Wayland. For years, Linux desktop environments have been transitioning from the aging X11 display system toward Wayland. While X11 served Linux users well for decades, it was designed during a very different era of computing. Modern security requirements, high refresh rate displays, touchscreens, mixed DPI setups, and advanced graphics technologies often expose the limitations of X11. Wayland was designed to address these challenges, but transitioning to it has not always been smooth. Many desktop environments had to adapt existing architectures to fit the new display server model. Cosmic takes a different approach by being designed with Wayland in mind from the beginning. This allows developers to build features and workflows around modern display technologies without constantly working around legacy constraints. The window management system in Cosmic is another area where innovation becomes obvious. Traditionally, Linux users often choose between floating window managers and tiling window managers. Floating windows are familiar and easy to use, while tiling managers maximize screen space and productivity. Cosmic seeks to bring these worlds together. Users can enjoy a traditional desktop experience while also taking advantage of intelligent tiling features whenever they want. This hybrid approach means users don't have to commit entirely to one workflow. A programmer may prefer tiling windows while writing code, but switch to floating windows when editing graphics or organizing documents. Cosmic makes these transitions feel natural rather than forcing users into a single philosophy. This flexibility is becoming one of the desktop's strongest selling points. Customization has always been one of Linux's greatest strengths, and Cosmic embraces this tradition in a thoughtful way. Instead of overwhelming users with countless hidden settings spread across multiple tools, the desktop aims to present customization options in a clean and accessible manner. Themes, layouts, panel configurations, workspace behaviors, and appearance settings can be adjusted without requiring advanced technical knowledge. This balance between power and simplicity is particularly important. Many desktop environments struggle to satisfy both new users and experienced enthusiasts. Beginners often feel overwhelmed by endless options, while advanced users become frustrated by restrictive interfaces. Cosmic attempts to satisfy both groups by providing sensible defaults while maintaining significant flexibility beneath the surface. The application launcher demonstrates this philosophy perfectly. Modern desktop users expect quick access to applications, files, commands, and system functions. COSMIC's launcher is designed to be fast, efficient, and keyboard-friendly. Rather than navigating through complex menus, users can quickly search for what they need and launch it instantly. Small workflow improvements like this may seem minor individually, but together, they create a significantly more productive computing experience. Workspaces are another area where Cosmic shines. Many users now juggle multiple tasks simultaneously, whether they are programming, designing, studying, creating content, or managing business operations. Efficient workspace management can dramatically improve productivity by reducing clutter and helping users stay organized. Cosmic introduces workspace tools that feel intuitive and visually clear, making it easier to separate tasks without losing track of ongoing work. The visual design of Cosmic also deserves attention. The desktop manages to look modern without chasing design trends that may quickly become outdated. Clean layouts, carefully chosen spacing, readable typography, and smooth animations contribute to an experience that feels polished and professional. It avoids unnecessary visual noise while still maintaining enough personality to distinguish itself from competing desktops. Performance remains a major concern for Linux users, particularly those running older hardware. One advantage of building a modern desktop from scratch is the ability to optimize for efficiency from day one. Early testing and user impressions suggest that Cosmic delivers impressive responsiveness while maintaining reasonable resource usage. Although performance will continue improving as development progresses, the foundation already appears promising. Developers are particularly excited about COSMIC's architecture. Because the desktop is being built with modern software engineering practices, contributors can more easily understand, maintain, and extend the codebase. This matters because successful open-source projects depend heavily on community involvement. A clean architecture encourages contributions and helps ensure long-term sustainability. The use of Rust contributes significantly to this maintainability. Memory-related bugs have historically been responsible for countless crashes, vulnerabilities, and stability issues across the software industry. Rust's design helps developers prevent many of these problems before software even reaches users. While no programming language is a magic solution, Rust provides valuable safeguards that align well with the goals of a modern desktop environment. Another reason people are paying attention to Cosmic is System 76 itself. Unlike many software projects that exist independently from hardware manufacturers, System 76 develops both computers and software. This gives the company unique opportunities to optimize the entire user experience. Hardware and software can evolve together rather than being developed in isolation. This integrated approach resembles strategies used by some of the most successful technology companies in the world. When hardware and software teams collaborate closely, they can create experiences that feel cohesive and refined. For Linux users, this level of integration has historically been relatively uncommon. Cosmic represents an effort to bring that kind of polished experience to the open-source ecosystem. The desktop's accessibility improvements are also worth discussing. Modern operating systems must accommodate users with a wide range of needs and preferences. Accessibility should not be treated as an afterthought. By designing accessibility features into the foundation of the desktop, developers can create a more inclusive experience that serves a broader audience. Multi-monitor support is another critical area where Cosmic aims to excel. Remote work, content creation, software development, and professional productivity often involve multiple displays. Managing windows across several monitors can quickly become frustrating if the desktop environment isn't designed carefully. Cosmic includes features intended to make multi-monitor workflows more intuitive and efficient. The growing popularity of Linux gaming further increases the significance of projects like Cosmic. Thanks to advances in compatibility technologies, Linux gaming has improved dramatically in recent years. Gamers now expect desktop environments to handle high refresh rate monitors, variable refresh technologies, multiple displays, and modern graphics hardware seamlessly. COSMIC's modern architecture positions it well to meet these expectations. Content creators are also watching the project closely. Video editors, graphic designers, musicians, and streamers increasingly rely on Linux for professional work. These users need stable workflows, responsive interfaces, and efficient resource management. A desktop environment that prioritizes performance and usability can significantly improve creative productivity. One of the most impressive aspects of Cosmic is that it isn't attempting to change everything merely for the sake of being different. Many technology projects fail because they focus on novelty rather than solving real problems. Cosmic appears more focused on improving workflows, reducing friction, and modernizing underlying technologies. This practical mindset resonates strongly with users who simply want their computers to work better. As development continues, community feedback remains crucial. Open-source software thrives when users actively participate in testing, reporting bugs, suggesting improvements, and contributing code. The Cosmic team has shown a willingness to listen to feedback and adjust plans based on real-world usage. This collaborative relationship helps ensure the desktop evolves in ways that genuinely benefit its users. The broader Linux ecosystem may also benefit from COSMIC's innovations. Competition often drives progress. When one desktop environment introduces successful ideas, others frequently adapt similar concepts or develop alternative solutions. Even users who never install Cosmic could ultimately benefit from the innovations. It inspires across the Linux desktop landscape. Another important consideration is long-term vision. Technology projects often begin with excitement but struggle to maintain momentum. Cosmic appears to have a clear roadmap supported by an organization with a strong interest in desktop Linux. This combination of technical ambition and organizational backing increases confidence that the project can continue evolving over the coming years. The excitement surrounding Cosmic is not solely about its current capabilities. Much of the enthusiasm comes from its potential. People see a modern architecture, thoughtful design decisions, strong engineering practices, and a willingness to challenge assumptions that have shaped desktop computing for decades. These factors create a sense that Cosmic could become something truly significant. For newcomers considering Linux for the first time, desktop experience plays an enormous role in adoption. Technical excellence alone is not enough. Users need software that feels welcoming, intuitive, and reliable. If Cosmic succeeds in delivering these qualities while maintaining the flexibility Linux users expect, it could help make Linux more appealing to a broader audience. Experienced Linux users, meanwhile, appreciate having another serious option. Choice has always been one of Linux's defining characteristics. Cosmic adds a fresh perspective without diminishing existing alternatives. Users can evaluate it alongside GNOME KDE Plasma, XFCE, Cinnamon, and others to determine which environment best matches their needs. The desktop computing landscape is constantly evolving. New hardware, new workflows, new security requirements, and new user expectations continue reshaping how operating systems are designed. Projects that fail to adapt eventually become constrained by their own history. Cosmic represents an attempt to build a desktop environment prepared for the future rather than anchored to the past. Whether it becomes the dominant Linux desktop remains impossible to predict. The Linux ecosystem is diverse, and different users value different features. However, dominance is not necessarily the most important measure of success. Even if Cosmic simply pushes innovation forward, improves user experiences, and inspires other projects, it will have made a meaningful contribution. What makes Cosmic feel different is the combination of modern technologies, thoughtful workflow design, strong engineering principles, and a clear understanding of contemporary desktop computing needs. It isn't merely a visual redesign or a collection of cosmetic improvements. It represents a comprehensive rethinking of how a Linux desktop can be built in the modern era. As more users gain access to Cosmic and development continues at a rapid pace, excitement will likely continue growing. Early impressions suggest that System 76 has created something genuinely interesting, something that addresses real challenges while offering a compelling vision for the future. The Linux desktop has seen many ambitious projects over the years, but few have generated this level of anticipation before reaching full maturity. That is why so many people are saying that the new Cosmic desktop changes everything. It combines modern development practices, a fresh architectural foundation, powerful productivity features, intelligent window management, extensive customization, strong performance, and a clear focus on the future of desktop computing. Whether you're a Linux veteran, a curious newcomer, a developer, a gamer, or a content creator, Cosmic represents one of the most exciting developments in the Linux world today. If it continues on its current trajectory, it may not just become another desktop environment, it could redefine what users expect from the Linux desktop experience for years to come.